Hi, this is Eric Keller for the NURBS Workshop. I'm excited to welcome you to Volume 2 of my latest training series, Introduction to Maya 2026. Volume 2 gets more in depth, starting with lessons on how to customize the interface to suit your own working style. You'll learn how to create custom hotkeys, shelf buttons, and marking menus. Then we'll take a close look at the modeling toolkit, which is the heart of polygon modeling in Maya. I'll take you through a demonstration of how to set up image planes, and then we'll build a model together, exploring the advanced tools and workflows. You'll learn the difference between polygons and NURBS surfaces, how to use curves, and how to use Maya's new remeshing and retopology tools. Then I'll explain the basics of how deformers work, both as modeling and animation tools, and we'll look at the fundamental concepts behind creating an animation rig in Maya. Volume 2 is designed to get you grounded in the Maya toolkit by building a solid understanding of the core tools available in this powerful software. I hope you enjoy the series, and I wish you success at the start of your journey towards becoming a Maya artist.